So today we're having a very fun day at Minehead Beach. There's the sea. So yeah, let's go. So today we're in a jungle gym. Woo! Phoebes! Oh wow, look at this big slide. Go on then. You're going to go down. Do you want to go down on Jessie's lap? Ready? 1, 2, 3. So let's try and get up this thing. Whoa. Oh. We're up. Whoop. Let's go. I'm going up this one here. Go down this one here. Whee! Go! Whoa, is it a bit wobbly, Phoebe? Yeah. Oh, careful. Ah, this one's easy, isn't it? You can do it quicker. Yes, well done. Go, go, go! See if we can do this before the video ends. Too big. My head's hitting it. Yes. Should we go down the slide? What? You! Bumpy, bumpy, bump. Secret passage?
Wow, look.
Oh! Where's Roxanne? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! You see me? Can I catch me or not? Woo! Phoebe, you coming down? Oh, Mummy's coming.
Go.
Mummy's coming.
Your turn! Your turn! Your turn!
Well, that's today over and done with. And that's the beach. That's a wrap. Toodles.